Elvis is eating cake. Very awkward. He likes anything you give to him. You can see him there. He's kind of... Yeah.
He eating cake.
Oh, he threw a piece at Grandma.
I guess he likes sugar, eh?
Let's give him a different piece. How about this piece? Ew, it's sticky.
He's like
Ew, it's sticky. How about this? There we go. There you go, buddy. There. Hey, good job, Elvis. There you go. There you go.
You know why he likes the cake?
Your beak.
He thinks he is biting on your finger.
Your beak is all greasy. His beak is so greasy.
Yeah.
Greasy bird. No. Say hi, Elvis. Okay, let's finish the video with the bird roller coaster, okay? Let's take a break and bird roller coaster to finish. Say, let's start. Wee, wee,
Okay,
wee,
bye.
wee, wee, wee.